Hey guys, Jeff Joyner coming to you live from Pinnacles National Park in California. On my summer tour right now, traveling around speaking in 29 cities in 6 weeks, but had a day off today, and so doing some hiking. Wasn't going to make a video here at all, but I did a hike. One of the rangers recommended I do the Bear Gulch Caves hike. And boy, hiking through these caves was something else. And I learned some valuable lessons. And so here's some footage from my hike. And at the end, I will share the lessons that I think are relevant to an epic life. All right. Into the cave. Some light coming down from above so far. Oh man. All right, flashlight on. Pretty low ceiling. Shimmy through here. It's dark up there. Well, that's not the right way. Locked out. Okay, guess I'm going through here. Get my hands and knees down. This is super tight squeeze through here. Super tight fit. Take my backpack off. Ay, ay, ay. That's super bright and sunny. It's hard to believe it was just so dark just a second ago. this giant boulder stuck in here. Wonder how long that's been like that. Extremely narrow stairs. Oh, wow. Wow. Worth the hike for the view. That's where I just came up from, down the cave. That's that big boulder. Wow, what an awesome hike. What's the moral of the story? You're gonna find yourself in the caves of life where it's dark and it's scary and you might feel like turning around. You get yourself in some tight spots. You take some wrong turns. What do? First of all, keep going, right? If you're going through hell, keep going, right? Don't stop, chicken out and turn around. Just keep going, especially if you believe that there's something on the other side that's worth persisting for. Other lesson is, you know what? It got really, really dark, and I'm glad I had a light. When you're in a dark time, you need a lamp unto your feet and a light into your path. And things are a lot less scary when you got some truth lighting the way. That's really cool. And hey, you know what else? Another lesson is just when I thought, I'm out of the cave, I'm in the sunshine. Oh, there was another cave. And you're gonna go through times of lightness and dark and uphill and downhill. And man, just keep going. It'll be okay if you persist. And you know, the final lesson, I think, I'm pretty winded out here doing this hike, but I was thinking, boy, if I did this every day, something like this every day, you know how strong I would get? You know how my muscles would develop? And I could go further and further with less and less effort. And, you know, it's the struggles of life that make you strong, right? And it's painful when you're going through it, but it leads to strength. So hopefully you found some value in this. Pinnacles National Park really exceeding my expectations. Super cool. Again, like nothing else I've ever seen or done. And so that's cool. So hey, if you get value out of these videos, make sure that you like and subscribe and give me a comment down below. We'll catch you next time.